Good morning, folks. I hope everybody's okay and being nice to each other in this sometimes not very nice world. So today's job is a nice little bespoke joinery job. It's a little cloakroom toilet cupboard job. The lady's got some shelves in her cloakroom toilet, and she just had a Venetian blind over it, so now I've got to create some doors and neaten it all up and add a little bit of style, hopefully, and then just to renew some cupboard doors at the basin, below the basin. So let's see how it unfolds. So update time, and we've got the framework in, battens fixed with concrete screws and butterfly anchors on the left side because it's a stud wall, and so now constructing the inset doors. I bought some inset hinges, which can be problematic because basically when you open the door, the hinge arrangement, the mechanism arrangement allows it to pivot at the front so that the back doesn't catch, and then you get like three-dimensional adjustability as well, which is brilliant. You know, normally I would put a piano hinge in, which you get zero adjustability. And incidentally, when you're doing a piano hinge, what you've got to do is put a 5-degree negative rake on the back of it, otherwise it binds. Yeah, see, tips and tricks as well as entertainment. Okie doke, so let's cut these doors. So cross cut it now. So I've measured these at 1220 in height, so I should get 2 out of a whole sheet, because you know, carrying a 18mm sheet of MDF out the back of your van is an absolute nightmare. It's becoming harder and harder for me now, and the option is to have it cut in half at B&Q on their saw, but you know, it's then you're limiting yourself to like a 600 cut. So
Back, dog.
good morning, folks, and today's video is a job that is going to be very difficult, I'm afraid, because I got a cold and I think I'm suffering from seasonal affective disorder. Unfortunately, you're going to have to listen to me moaning, because I work on my own. So yeah, it's I'm finding it literally overnight with the clocks going back, really feeling of lowness, and you know, yeah, everyone's getting on my nerves. Everything's going to be a disaster. It's a festival of negativity, and not normally me. So yeah, I think this sad thing is a real tangible thing that's another hurdle you've got to get over when you're self-employed. So anyway, today's job is putting some click fit laminate flooring in this little bathroom. I haven't done any of this for a long time, quite enjoy doing it. So this is the job. Toilet out. Yeah, I'll do my best to rise above the current crisis. What a drama queen, eh? Speak to you soon. So I had to take the tongue off the this board here so that I can slide it along the long side and engage the ends. Otherwise you have to lift it up 5 degrees, and you can't do that if you're sliding it along. Hello folks, so the update is that I'm not got long left. I'm really ebbing away slowly. This man flu is going to take me, and I've had a good life, but you know, something as severe as man flu, I don't think my body can cope with it. So this is probably going to be my last job. Anyway, I've got the flooring down and now I'm doing the edge trim, okay, which is something that is about 4 millionth on my list of enjoyable things to do. I'd rather have a holiday in an attic in my swimming costume surrounded by itchy wool.